It's been 4 years, but her voice is still trembling.
I was invited to a party. When I got there, it was only the one guy there. I did say no and I did say stop, but I also did freeze. I did try and push the person off of me, but when you are pinned to a couch with your legs above your head and pressed against the top of the couch, what am I going to do?
She lost her court case because she could not prove that she didn't want to have sex. And for an accused to be convicted, it must be proved that he had the criminal intent to rape. This young woman's case has now become a textbook case for the Constitutional Court because an NGO based their case for changing the legal definition of consent on it. It was the initiative of this lawyer who says that South African law lags behind the rest of the world. This process can take 3 to 6 years.
With the law as it currently stands, the more perverse an accused person's views are on, for example, consent and rape, the higher the chance of them getting acquitted, because there is a lesser chance of the state, the prosecution, being able to prove that in their mind they believed that they were raping someone. Where the accused now actually has to have some sort of responsibility in making sure that the complainant did consent.
While the number of rapes increase every year in South Africa, the number of convictions are decreasing because the verdict hinges on the notion of consent.
Most common cases, I believe, wouldn't be the ones with a gun to your head or a knife to your throat. It's more the everyday common cases where you didn't consent but you were still raped.
A Constitutional Court victory won't change anything in her personal case, but it will help her to feel a little less trapped by the feeling of injustice.